She feels something before she even understands it. And that feeling? That's chemistry. You don't force it. You don't chase it. You create it without trying too hard. Most people get this wrong. They try too much, too fast, and that kills attraction instantly. But here's what actually works. Subtle energy, calm confidence. Let's break it down. First, it starts with your presence, not your words, the way you stand, the way you look around. You don't rush, you don't seek approval. You're just there. This is where it gets interesting. Silence creates tension, and tension creates chemistry. Imagine this. You walk into a room. Everyone is loud. You're calm. That contrast pulls attention. She notices you without knowing why. That's step one. Next, eye contact. But not the needy kind. You look. You hold it for a second. Then you look away first. Pay attention to this. Mystery builds attraction. If you stare too long, you lose power. If you never look, you lose connection. It's the balance. Think of it like a spark. Quick, then gone. Now she's thinking about you. That's chemistry growing. Now here's the mistake. Talking too much. It's the opposite. Say less, but mean more. Your tone matters more than your words. Speak slowly. Stay relaxed. No rush. Imagine this. She asks you something simple. You pause, then answer calmly. That pause creates tension, and tension feels like attraction. But here's the truth. Chemistry is emotional, not logical. So don't try to impress her. Instead, make her feel. Light teasing works. Playful energy works. Not too much, just enough. Example, she says she loves coffee. You smile and say, "So you're one of those people." Small tease, big effect. She feels something different. That's chemistry building. Now listen carefully. Don't agree with everything. Agreement kills tension. Tension builds attraction. You can disagree softly, with a smile, with calm energy. This shows confidence, and confidence feels magnetic. This is where most people fail. They try to be liked. But attraction isn't about being liked. It's about being felt. Now here's something deeper. Your emotional control. If you're nervous, she feels it. If you're calm, she feels that too. Energy transfers. Always. So slow yourself down. Breathe. Stay grounded. That alone creates chemistry. But here's the twist. Pull back sometimes. Don't always be available. Don't always reply fast. Space creates curiosity. Curiosity builds attraction. Example, you have a great moment. Then you leave early. Now she's thinking, why did he leave? That thought becomes emotion. That emotion becomes chemistry. Pay attention to this. Less effort, more impact. Now let's go deeper. Authenticity. If you fake it, she senses it instantly. But if you're real, even your flaws attract. Because real feels rare, and rare feels valuable. This is where it gets powerful. Stop trying to win her. Start enjoying the moment. Laugh naturally. Speak honestly. No performance. That energy pulls her in. Now, one last thing. Touch. Very light, very natural. A brief tap. A gentle guide. Nothing forced. Done right, it amplifies everything. But done wrong, it breaks everything. So keep it simple. Always. Now let's bring it together. Chemistry isn't magic. It's emotional alignment. Calm presence. Subtle tension. Playful energy. And real connection. You don't chase it. You allow it. And when you stop trying too hard, that's when it happens. She feels it. And she remembers it. Because most people try, but very few understand. Now you do. If this made you think, stay with this mindset and watch what changes.